This video we are going to learn about variable and data type. How you can use variable and data type in our Python notebook. So let's understand. As you can see, we have this Python variable and data type. Variable is used to store data in a program, and we make variable name first of all, and then we add some value in our variable. We have the name, age, height as a variable, and in the variable we add different values in that. Also we have data type, different data type as a like integer, float, string, boolean, and different a is equal to true is a boolean value. So let's start with understand by going our VS Code. Let's make one new file for that. Let's make one variable .py. So open this file first of all, and as you can see we have, let's say a is equal to, we are going to add a is equal to 5. So here 5 is a value and a is variable for that. So let's print, and we can say print a. So control s, and you can run this code. As you can see we have the output as a 5 here. Also you can p is equal to 6, and then you can print b, and also you can as you can say c is equal to a plus b, and I want both the combination of sum. So we will get the 11 as a output, b as a 6, and 11. In our variable you can also make different, let's say z is equal to yes. So this is a string data type. You can also say w is equal to 71.232. This is a float data type. Let's print z, control s. You can run this code. You have to be specific if you use capital letters here, so we have to be specific here, and control s. Now you can run this code, and as you can see we have z yash as a we got the output here. So basically variable is a name that given to memory location in our program. Let's understand by data type .py. We have different data type like integer, we have float data type, floating point numbers. We also have string, we have boolean data type, and also we have none data type. So these are the primary data types in our Python. So Python is very high level language. So like it will automatically identify the type of data. So let's try with a is equal to 71, b is equal to let's say 5160.6. We are going to add a name, let's say Yash. So here this Python interpreter will identifies a as a class int, and here identifies b as class float value. In here, this line of code, Python will understand that this is a string variable. So as class string. So there are multiple rules in our Python, like variable should not be have no should like the name can only contain like alphabet digits and underscore, but you can't use start with, you can't use let's say 334 name. So this is not a correct variable. You can't use that. You can use underscore, and you can't use uh, uh, letters the first, like this you can't use that way. Also we have float and boolean. So let's try with d is equal to false. So d is a like variable boolean variable, and let's say e is equal to none. You don't want to print anything in a none, and you say in my variable e there is no value in that. So for that you have to write none, and e is a none type variable. So yeah, this is the basic understanding of our data type. Let's try to add new so there are multiple rules, as I told you, in our variable. So like let's try with rules.py. So first, as you can see, we have this variable. uh, you can also say AAA 435. You can use multiple alphabet same. You can say Yash is equal to 34 5. You can say Shaya is equal to 66. You can say Saya is equal to 34. You can't say uh, Saya is equal to 34. This is a wrong, is not exist. As you can see, Python interpreter will give us a same error here. So as you can see, we can't run this. As you can see, not quick fix available. uh, in uh, in this Saya is equal to 34 is invalid due to our symbol. Our at the rate, we can't even use at the rate symbol. As you can see, we have the error, we got the error, you can see. So at the rate, you can't even use at the rate. In our you don't even use at the rate in middle of any variable. This is also invalid due to at the rate symbol. So yeah, these are the rules for our variable.